everybody, this is Kamal Grant. Today we're going to do a makeup tutorial inspired by Sublime Donuts. Look at this. Alright, so first we're going to take this white chocolate donut and we're going to use that as a primer. And that's so my makeup can stay in place. So let me get a little white chocolate here. Alright, so I got a white chocolate and we're just going to rub it in. Alright, we're going to rub it. Rub. And alright, so before we put the rest of our makeup on, we want to do our eyebrows. Alright, so for that I'm going to use this dark chocolate. Alright, make it a little more sharper. Alright. Look at that. Alright, so for my foundation, I'm going to use this Dulce de Leche because you want to make sure it matches your skin tone. You see, I'm a nice Dulce de Leche. Tear a piece of this Dulce de Leche. And this is going to smooth the skin and we want to give it a nice matte and it hides dark spots. Gives us a nice matte finish. Alright, for the concealer, I'm going to use this maple icing. This is our maple bacon donut. So it brightens areas you want to highlight more. So it can go under the eyes or the nose. Alright, there we go. Alright, to contour, I'm going to use the dark chocolate because I want to give an illusion of high cheekbones here. So we're going to just go right there. Alright, look at that. And now we want to kind of blend it out here. So we're going to take our donut and blend it out. Okay. So for a highlighter, we're going to use this beautiful, delicious fresh strawberries and cream. Alright? That gives me a nice glow, okay? It gives a glow. For our eyeshadow, we're gonna use this pink fondant on this strawberry glazed donut. All right, it makes your eyes pop. All right, delicious. For the mascara, we're gonna use this Dirty D, and it's gonna give my eyelashes volume and length. All right, so we're just gonna get in here, and we're gonna. For our lipstick, we're gonna use this orange glaze, our Orange Dream Star. So we're gonna use this orange glaze on the Orange Dream Star donut. Alright, so the final touch, now that we have our beautiful makeup on there, our delicious makeup, so we smell like a delicious donut, we're going to use some simple syrup and our setting spray to set so your makeup doesn't run and it looks beautiful and it doesn't get old the rest of the day. This is how you do a makeup tutorial with donuts. And come down to the shop and come buy some great donuts.